I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon.
That's it. Ziplining is next.
This one I'm not doing.
No, we're not doing this one. Focus. Focus on your focus. All these children are more brave than us. They are the content of this video.
I'm proud of you.
Yes, sir.
Very proud.
May they can refund us our portion of this ticket because we're not going into this. Bye bye, Gongola. Gondola. Oh, okay, well, let's go on the zip line. This will not get dustbin for you.
Yo, can you all see the goats? They get zoo for you. Look at the goats. Goaty Lala. What if the goat just has pot belly and discriminating against the goats? Goaty, are you pregnant? I'm not saying they get zoo for you. I'm joking.
As women of Timber and Caliber, we're only doing ziplining.
Yes. As women of Timber and Caliber, safety cautious, adventurously cautious, only zipper.
So there's a zipline on the floor. That one is Timber. I don't know what that one is. As women of Timber and Caliber, we're only doing ziplining. I'm tired. I'm only doing this for you people. I don't like stress. All these things is stress. Going from one line to the other, climbing things, this is all stressful. But this is to be dancing and taking 5 pictures.
I think for me, this is a redeeming of ourselves. Because in Niagara, the zip line is quite expensive. So here we cut quests. Okay? So yeah, so we're just waiting to be called. A line over there. You can see people waiting there.
So we won't be able to record because we have to keep our stuff here, obviously, because when you're flying high in the zip line, you can't do much. See that little girl hanging? That better not be me.
And one person.
That better not be me.
I'm going to put your bag in mine.
Yeah, I'm going to put my bag in yours. So this is the bin that we're using. This one.
Ziplining. Done. Done.
It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous.
Were you able to conquer your fears?
I haven't conquered it yet, but I did something. I did it.
Yeah. It was an hour wait to get on.
And I guess we're going to be there at 4:30.
Yeah.
And that's when we got on Thursday.
And it was worth it, right? So yeah, we're here to return.
Yes.
So you can start returning yours. Unstrap yourself. The trolleys will be this one. I think these are the trolleys.
Oh.
Maybe she'll take it off herself. Ella is struggling to take off the trolleys.
I don't know. I need help from somebody. Because that's how I tighten this thing.
Oh yeah, this one you can loosen it yourself. Try and open that black part. Flip, yeah, let it loose.
How was it?
Good, good.
Like at the very end of here. So you hit hard, dude. Like, aren't you glad you did it the way? It was fun once I felt it. That's like the way. But then the end. I think I pulled something. How did you get out of it? How did you get out of it?
You need help? Thank you.
Good on the other side there.
I'll force it.
Finally, we got it out.
Before you send it in.
Oh, this is it.
That's a trolley.
Thank you.
No problem.
Let's go through.
In the middle, helmet on the other end there.
Okay. Yeah, good. Good. Trolleys. Yo-Yo is more of a pro than me. You know you've done this twice.
I hope I don't lose my concentrations.
It's sacrosanct. Oh my god. Clean your teeth. Good. He's right there if you want him to help you.
Which one is this? You think I can have the direction?
If you need help, ask him for help. Okay. And the waist one. Good job, Yo-Yo. And then pull the ones from the shoulder. Yes. Just bring it down. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Good job. Then pull it down. Pull it down. In the middle?
Yeah.
And the helmet. Drop. Done.
Because we waited on
Okay, zip line.
Done.
Done. 2 zip lines. Can you imagine? 2.
We did two. Two
zip
zip
lines.
lines. Was amazing. So you have a break.
But we
then
don't have
you
a
hang in
video.
the air. I wish we had a video of that. Maybe
Because
some
we have to
others-
keep our phone.
Some other guys. That's what we did. But it was fun.
Yes.
Yeah, and I had to put my glasses.
On to the next ride.
On to the next one.
To win the line.
Cascade, I think.
Yes.
And then the next ride.
Yes.
See ya.
We do this for you people. I hope people have liked it. They have goats here. There's another goat. I wonder. That means there must be animals somewhere. See the first goat. See the first goat. Let me go and take a video of it. See this one. People should study these goats.
Like a ram, actually.
Like a ram, eh? Let me get the first goat. It's actually eating. Goat is minding his business and eating. Let me also go. Brother goat and sister goats. Goatini. Okay, let's go.
I hope people have liked, shared, and subscribed to this channel. We do this for you. Left for me. This is enjoyment, but I don't like enjoyment with 1 hour stress of waiting.
But the
I like
spirit is what it is.
express enjoyment.
Because you have to follow the rules. That's
Quick
why.
enjoyment.
You got to follow the rules
My
and
sisters
coordinate. And we're under
motivating
the
me.
shade, the trees, so it's nice
Now
to
we're
be in the
coming
forest.
down.
Coming down. Going down.
We're going down in the DMs. We're going down.
Then this castle, I ain't gonna...
Rocco.
If the line is too much, let's go right.
Okay.
Down one, please.
Okay.
It's like
I agree with
golf.
you.
I
It's just
don't want
golf.
to go down one.
Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no.